Hello, and welcome back to Movement in Science. Today I'm super excited because Lynn is back with us, and she's going to show us how to use affordable equipment that we can get anywhere, that can fit perfectly in RVs and college dorms or small spaces. So I'm super excited. Welcome back. All right, so let's get started.
Okay.
All right, I'm ready. Show me what's going on here.
All right. So our goal here today is to just let you know about some easy to use pieces of equipment that is really versatile. You can stick it inside a purse easily. You can travel with it. You can, as you can see, you can bring it to the park. It's not going to take up much room, and you can buy one piece of equipment and it's variable in resistance, meaning that as you get stronger, you don't have to buy more and more pieces of equipment. These I call exercise toys because they just make things more fun, and it's colorful. So I love it. And so let's start off with the bands, and there's a variety of bands, and I usually get them on Amazon, and you can even buy packs. For example, this pack of 5 different intensities of bands. So these bands can be used for a variety of things. Okay. And for $10, $9.99, you can get this 5-pack, and they'll come in light all the way up to your extra heavy duty band. And it also comes with an educational chart of exercises, both upper body and lower body exercises, so that you know exactly how to use them. And then you can just make things up as well. These are great for sitting on the couch, and maybe during every commercial break you do something with the band. You do some sort of exercise. It comes about this big from Amazon. Obviously you can see you can take it anywhere with you to the park. Again, super versatile and inexpensive. My favorite.
I feel like you can put them down your shirt too. Like you could just be like, no,
not so much. Not for me, but maybe other people. Okay. There's also this type of resistance band, and this comes in different intensities. And if you're somebody who, for example, I have a friend who really wants to be able to do pull-ups, and women, it's just more challenging for us to do pull-ups. So these are great. These are often referred to as assistance bands.
Okay.
They make you feel like a rock star too. And you just wrap this over a pull-up bar or a jungle gym system at the local park, and then you put your foot in there, and it assists you. It carries some of your weight for you, so you can develop the skill of doing a pull-up while you have not as much body weight to pull.
Okay.
And so this just allows you to kind of transition to that. And there's different widths of bands.
Okay.
And so you can step down as you get stronger. Awesome. You could also use these for some partner drills. So something like this, you could use these to do things like bicep curls. Something really fun is if you like to run and you're working on sprints, and if you have a partner, you can actually do assistance exercises with these as well, where I could put this around your waist.
Okay.
And you could run against resistance. And there's just a lot of different things that you can do.
We'll show you guys that. That's awesome.
If you've ever been to physical therapy, you have probably been assigned one of these at some point. These are the old school. This was like the origination of the resistance band. So never throw them away. They do deteriorate over time though. That is important to know. And there's latex free, because a lot of people do have latex allergies. More and more people are finding out they have latex allergies, so just make sure you get the latex free. This is literally comes on a roll, huge roll, and they'll just cut it for you. So you can buy these again in usually like 5 or 6 feet of this. Again on Amazon, or you could go into a local physical therapy clinic and they will probably wheel and deal with you and help you out. These are really, really great because again, you can do little exercises, upper body, lower body, and just use one piece of equipment.
Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and check out some of our favorite videos.